Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan SE, and this is finished in platinum gray metallic. This is a 4-motion all-wheel drive. And up here to the driver front wheel, great shape. Just a little bit of a scuff down there at the bottom. These are 17-inch multi-spoke wheels. And back here to the driver rear, great shape. No scratches, no scuffing. No curb rash. You'll notice back here on the rear bumper, just below the cargo area, there's a little scrape there. Back here to the passenger rear, you'll notice a few light scuffs there. Around the edge, a little bit of curb rash, nothing too severe. This was a local trade-in, and it was maintained here with us during their duration. And this passenger rear door, you'll see that small dent there. And finally up here to the passenger front, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Take you on to the interior. We have a Titan black Leatherette V-Tex seating surface. This is equipped with the blind spot monitor, and this also has collision mitigation front and rear. Ten-way power adjustable driver's seat and 6-way manual adjustable passenger seat. But both these front seats are 3-stage heated. Nice multifunction steering wheel. And current mileage on this vehicle, 25,195. All right, folks, if you have any questions, give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.